In this video, we're going to learn how to change the look of our website. Basically, this means that we're going to change the theme of our website. So to do that, we are going to go to our dashboard, then Appearance, then Themes. So what we see here is all the themes that are already installed in our WordPress. And the first one is the one that is activated at the moment. So to choose another theme, you can just go to the theme, have a look at the live preview to get an idea what the website is going to look like if we activate this theme. Okay, and if we're happy with that, we can just click on Save and Activate. Otherwise, we can look for other themes. So we're just going to click on Add New. And let's look at the latest themes. Okay, so you can pick one of those. Okay, there are plenty of themes to choose from. Otherwise, we can also search a specific theme. So we're going to look for the Nixitated theme. And we can also have a look at the preview first. Otherwise, we can just install it straight away. All right, so now let's activate this theme. And now our theme is activated, so we can refresh our page and we can see the new look of our page. Okay. All right. Some themes, they require some specific plugins. Okay, once you install them, so you get a message like this. So let's just activate these plugins. Okay. So I've already installed this plugin. Okay, you might be prompted to install it before you activate it. So I'm just going to click on Activate. And now my plugin is activated. Okay. We'll come back to plugins later when we need some specific features for our website. All right. Okay, so that's how we can change the theme of our website. Okay.